Did you know the most dangerous team at the 2026 World Cup might be the one nobody is crying over? Every camera is pointed somewhere else right now. Ronaldo is taking his final bow. Brazil is sending out its last golden generation. England is carrying 30 years of hurt into one more tournament. The emotion is real, and it is everywhere. France does not care. Kylian Mbappe turns 27 during the 2026 tournament. That is not young and hungry anymore. That is peak, fully formed, and completely locked in. He has already won a World Cup. He knows exactly what it takes. And the squad around him is not built on nostalgia. It is built on depth, speed, and cold efficiency. Here is the thing about big tournaments. The team that wins rarely has the best story. It has the best squad. France has both, and they are not asking for your attention. While the world watches the farewell tours, France is quietly preparing to end every single one of them.